PNG capital markets date back to 1994. At that time, the Stock Exchange Steering Committee, comprising representatives from the Bank of PNG, the Department of Finance, the Register of Companies, and Macintosh Securities, began developing the stock market framework. The framework was established in 1997. Although small by international standards, PNG capital markets have performed well in recent years despite the challenges. Recently, Minister responsible for international trade and investment, Richard Maru, has announced that the capital markets will undergo major reforms starting this year.
The capital market in this country has not grown. In fact, it's regressed. Companies who have been listing in pawn stocks have also delisted big time. The industry is not growing and we need to turn it around. And importantly, mobilize local capital so that rather than looking all the time for foreign investment dollars, we must encourage people to save and generate capital within the country so we can fund a lot of the investment projects that we are looking at.
The announcement by Minister Maru has been met with praise within the sector, with Namani Capital Partners, a subsidiary company of Namani and Associates, pleased with the announcement by the Minister for International Trade and Investment. Namani Capital Partners were licensed to conduct business by the Security Commission of PNG in September last year.
We've got 3 licenses. We're looking forward to this. I think it's an exciting time and we all have our different niches. It's just post-COVID, we need to come out here and look at picking up and moving forward.
Namani Capital Partners, through its managing director Hubert Namani, who is also the board chairman of the Civil Aviation and Safety Authority, issued a 2-page statement that welcomed the news, thanking the Marape Rosso government through the leadership of Minister responsible Richard Maru. Namani states, and I quote, "This reform is crucial as it will facilitate the mobilization of more private capital into key sectors of the economy and contribute to nation building. Furthermore, a well-regulated and supervised capital market will also enhance the state's financial ability." End quote. Mr. Namani also called on the government to create an overall enabling environment which include macroeconomic stability and efficient legal system that creates conditions favorable for financial contracts and enable financial development, as the government can support the capital market to deepen and better serve the private sector, maintaining a prudent fiscal position and sound macroeconomic management. Rocky Iso, National EMTV News.